Yo, yo, YouTube, it's your boy, y'all the one, the only one. Back on the video, yes sir, today, man. It's crazy, bro, how this stuff works, man. It's just crazy how it works. So basically, I was supposed to do this video last week. I won the Nike Dunk Pandas on Foot Locker shipped to me. You know what I'm saying? I didn't think I was gonna win, to be honest with you. I got my personal size. I was like, man, let me see if I win shipped to me. And luckily, I won from Foot Locker. They sent shipped to me. And this week on Nike.com, aka Nike app, I will send a link down below. You want to see straight there. We're releasing this Thursday. It's a big restock once again on the Nike app, Nike.com. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna have the men's, women's, big kids. What I mean by big kids will be grade school sizes and toddler. Right there on Nike app and Nike.com. That's crazy though. Like I was gonna do this review last week. I'm like, you know what? Let me save it because I just saved it like 2-3 days ago on Nike.com. Like, damn, another restock again. So I'm gonna give y'all a couple tips on how to win on Nike.com. I won a couple pairs on there before. I've been hitting a lot more ever since then. Cause at first I couldn't win no panda dunks at all. I was like, man, how did everybody get these panda dunks, bro? I was like, man, I ain't getting over here. I ain't getting over here. I'm like, bro, what is going on? So finally, I've been getting pairs, you know what I'm saying, left and right, even in my personal size, left and right. So luckily, I finally got a size for retail in my size now. Not this pair, but pairs before. And I finally got them. I was like, thank you. Like, dang. I don't mind paying resale for certain shoes, but it was coming out so repetitive. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to be patient. I'm gonna really get these. I waited for years. Waited for years and years and years. You know what I'm saying? Then it'd been like since 2019? I've waited for years and years, bro, till some Nike Dunks come out, man. Like, literally, like, that's how long it felt like. So I finally got a pair, you know what I'm saying, from Nike.com. It was like, I think not a year ago. It was about a couple months ago. I finally hit on my personal size for retail. And I was happy. I was like, yes, sir. And ever since then, I've been punching, hitting them, boom, 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 left and right, left and right. And luckily, it will be coming out on Thursday again. So I'm gonna give y'all quick tips and stuff like that. And also, I'm gonna unbox this shoe out for you guys as well, too. So, but make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Without further ado, man, let's get to the video. Basically, this video will be like a sort of an unboxing type, but also just talking about the pandas restocking on Nike.com and Nike app. So if you have any questions or concerns on like how to win some pandas, you know, people out there still haven't won no panda dunks at all yet, comment down below, man, let me know, got questions, concerns, or show me a DM, you know what I'm saying, let your boy know. But I already did enough talking about this upcoming release on Nike.com, August 11th. Like I said, this Thursday, the pandas restocking. Let's go unbox this shoe I got from Foot Locker last week. Let's go unbox that, man. Here they go. From Foot Locker, you know what I'm saying? So I don't even got no knife or nothing. I'm just gonna use my hands, man. I'm gonna use my hands. But so I'll box it. I go to box. You know what I'm saying? I can't see the address, but pull the box to the side. You gotta keep those boxes sometimes in case you ship some shoes off to go or anything else. Keep the box sometimes. So like I said, all Nike Dunks, if it's no collab or no union or anything like that, will be in the special box. But most of the time, all Nike Dunks will come in a white and red Nike box right here. Got my personal size 11. And it says Nike Dunk Low Retro, white and black, white, size 11. Let's go get the shoe out. Bang! Here they go, man. The Nike Dunk Low Pandas, man. Here they go. So pretty straightforward when it comes to Panda Dunks. Everybody know what the Panda Dunks is. Everybody want a pair. Everybody has a pair, you know what I'm saying? In case you don't have a pair, hopefully, I hope and pray that you win a pair of these for retail because resale value is not too crazy right now. It used to be $300-400. Now they're dropping down to $200. But still, that's still a lot of money for certain people, you know what I'm saying? So I understand. So hopefully y'all win a pair of these, man. I hope y'all do, man, for sure. Panda Dunks, like I said, everybody knows what they look like, man. You know what I'm saying? Got your black outsole here. I love black outsoles. Because you wear them so many times. And around the midsole, got your white midsole. Around the toe box here, you got your black leather around the toe box. You got your white leather on the toe box here as well. Got your black leather swoosh. And on back of the heel, you got your stitched in Nike. Also back of the heel, got your little black leather as well. Black laces. You got your white Nike tab right there. And on the inside, you got this black Nike with your white around the black sock liner as well. You know what I'm saying? Pretty straightforward when it comes to Nike Dunks. Dunk size, and I always tell people, do not go a half size down. I always go a half size up. Or, you know what I'm saying, go a whole size. So, you know what I'm saying? But most time I always tell people is go a half size up on what size you wear. Some people do go a whole size up in Nike Dunks because it just depends on if your foot wide, you know what I'm saying, all that good stuff. But, like I said, I could fit 11 and a half. I only got one size 12 in Nike Dunks, which is the Georgetown. I had to get the 12 because I really wanted that shoe, and I got it for retail. So you can't beat a Georgetown dunk for retail, or any dunk for real for retail most of the time, especially a Georgetown, Panda, Midas, or anything like that. So it just depends on the name or the colorway of the shoe. But overall, like I said, make sure you go half size up in Nike Dunks. True to size, maybe, you know what I'm saying, might works best for you. It just depends if you got a narrow foot. I got a narrow foot, so really, just like I said, just depends on how you like your shoes, how you fit, on if you like them tight, don't like them tight. You know what I'm saying? It just depends on it for sure. But I always go half size up if you don't like your shoes tight. If you like your shoes tight, go to the size. Releasing on the 11th, that is this Thursday, on the Nike app, Nike.com, not the sneakers app, Nike.com. I will send the link down below, and we'll send you straight there. How I got these, you know what I'm saying? For retail, I got these off of Foot Locker. Like I said, shipped to me. Foot Locker had them on there, shipped to me. It was like last week, by the way. So I did ship to me on these. After taxes, I got these for $127. Got a size 11, and right now on GOAT, the last sale was $245, and I could make about $220. So basically, $100 profit on these joints, not bad at all. So I haven't sold them on the GOAT app yet. I'm just still waiting to see someone local want these. If not, I'll just go ahead and sell them on GOAT. You know what I'm saying? No rush with these at all, because I'm about to try to get another pair of men's, another pair of women's, another pair of big kids, and hopefully a taller size for my peoples. You know what I'm saying? I always look out for my peoples. You know what I'm saying? I don't want no one ain't got no kids, man. I always look out for my folks. Everybody got the kids. Come accept your boy. You know what I'm saying? Jared one. But still though, I'm trying to be funny with that. But for real though, I usually get taller shoes for my peoples. You know what I'm saying? Look out for them as well. So, but anyway, that's it for this video, man. Like I said, big Nike restock coming on these joints right here. Big Nike restock coming. So make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. Like I said, that's what? It's my second upload. I got 4 uploads coming this week. I did one yesterday, did one today, did one tomorrow, and Thursday. Come on, join the family. Make sure you follow me on all platforms down below. We're greatly appreciated, man. Y'all always show love. I'm gonna show love back as always too. Much love to y'all. Y'all have a blessed one. Your one is out. Peace.